Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we'll run binary option robot Alpha Master. You can use this robot completely for free also. Use the download link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also now my link is connected with a promo code that gives you 50% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. But need to be more than $100 for this promo code to be activated, okay? Also make sure you see to the end of the video, because in the end I will show you the trades, how much profit you made and all this good stuff. But also if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. But now let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it again. Let me remove this roboting. There you see, 2 trades, 100% win rate, and we made a profit of $92. You can download this robot also. Just use the link is up here, there's roboting, or just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.